everyone, I'm back, and I'm back for Halloween, and today we are making these pumpkin garlands that you can hang across your fireplace, you can hang in your room, wherever you want. And you need nothing for this one. You need orange yarn, a couple of green pipe cleaners for the stems, and a scissor. No glue, no anything. I'm gonna cut a piece about this long, about 10 inches off before I start. Then I'm going to wrap around the yarn my 4 fingers. You can use a piece of cardboard if you want. I'm just going to use my fingers because it's easier, because it's right there. And I'm going to probably wrap them around like maybe, I don't know, 30, 40 times. It's up to you how full you want it. And then I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna take it off, but make sure that you still have it like that. And then I'm gonna take the first piece of yarn that I cut off. I'm gonna lay it down in the middle of what was wrapped around my finger. And I'm just gonna tie it tight like that. So it's starting to take the shape of my pumpkin. You can also do this with ghosts if you want, and you can like cut the ends of them to make them flowing ghosts. So then I have this shape, which is a little flat pumpkin, but pumpkins come in all different shapes and sizes. And then I'm going to take one of my pipe cleaners, and I'm going to put it over here like that. And I'm going to tie this on, just like that. So it's like that. And then I'm going to take it and kind of just twist the 2 sides of the pipe cleaners around each other. I'm making my stem. You can also have a brown stem if you want. And there's my stem. And I still have my 2 pieces like that. So now, how am I going to get it onto here? I'm going to take, I used some string, and I'm going to take it and put it like that, and then I'm going to tie it on my raffia. I was thinking of what that's called. And I'm going to trim my little pieces or stick them inside like that. And here we go. We have another pumpkin on our pumpkin garland. And you can actually put eyes on it. You can make pumpkin faces on it. You could do anything you want with it. Have a happy, scary Halloween.